testing various plankings. This would have been if I used wider boards, and I felt it was too large for the boat. So I'm splitting them in half. So I'm taking these they're like lollipop sticks, but they're a little bit longer. And I'm taking calipers and putting a little dent here and a dent here at 3 mil, which is half. There's 6. And taking X-Acto knife and a steel ruler, and I'm splitting them into these little pieces. And this is for the deck, so that the deck has a lovely planked look. I'm going all out on this for details. That's the main purpose of the video, is to show you more and more detail. So this is going to be the detailed stuff. Not going to show you me doing 200 sticks. I should just show you basically one, and then away you go. Yeah, I was going to do a wider deck like this with the planking. As you can see, it's too wide. So now I'm splitting these little pieces in half. So all I'm doing is quickly just taking calipers and using the back of the calipers. They're 6 millimeter wide. So I make a dent at 3 fairly accurately. And then 3 again here. I'm getting better at it. And then I take the steel ruler here, my square, and I run it off the edge so that the metal is touching this wood. Line it up on my 2 little tick marks, and run the knife very lightly first time, because I found that if I do it too hard, it doesn't work. Then the second time, and I should be through on the third one. Doesn't always work though. And I'm going to do that 40, 50 times or whatever it takes to do the decking. There we go. Next. And then, we'll move on from there. Most likely make some windows on this with paper and that first and see what they look. So it's all the detail. And then when I get the decking on and that, I'll start sanding and cleaning up. So it's taken me 2 hours to get this little bit of planking done. I got about 1 inch done. And it's because I have to glue each one down. I'm using white glue because the other glues weren't that great either. But this is the best way to do it. But I have to pin some of them down, and then I have to push some of them in. So it's taking a while, but it'll look great. But this is what I mean about detail. This is 2 hours already. 4, 6, 8 hours just to do the top decking here. And then I got to put the thing down in here as well, in the back. And I have to do the top deck. So it's going to be quite a bit of time. But is it going to be worth it? Absolutely. Yeah. Let's just hope so. There you can see me pinning them. And then when they're dry, I can just pull them out and move them over to the next one over here. Let's say like that. And then I pin the next one. I know I got little nail holes in them and that, but that might add to the oldness to it. So there we go. That's where I'm at. I'll be quite a few hours doing this. That's what I mean by detail. We'll zoom in. Really beginning to shape up.